think like many of them like new journeys today. So we'll have like a quick round of introduction so that why. So what is Kafka Zookeeper? Why we need it? So any information, please. Who owned all new journeys? Please let me know on this. Hello. So anyone?
What was your question?
Yeah, my question is Samina, are you working the same tool? And again, if it is not, so if you're working the same tool, what is the expectation from this course? So what level experience you need to gain from this class? So those are the information I need from your end.
Today is my first class.
Okay. So why this Kafka Zookeeper for you then?
After Advanced Java, they are asking me to learn this Apache Kafka.
Okay. So generally, what is Apache Kafka, and again, why we need to go for you have like some basic ideas, right? On this.
Nothing, 0%.
Okay. All right. Right. So we'll discuss all these things. I think like this, owned all new Chinese today. Like few of them, they joined yesterday, and again, they are already this tool. They have like some knowledge. They're expecting more advanced stuff, like Kafka Zookeeper, like administrator level, and again developer level. Yes. Anyone?
I'm
Oh,
taking a
sorry. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yeah. Yeah. I think we'll take this one. Oh, sorry. Yeah. What is Kafka? And again, what is the Zookeeper? Why today the Zookeeper is replaced with Craft, right? So before that, what is a Kafka? Like before understanding this, what is Kafka and again Zookeeper? So we need to understand what is message queuing services, why we need to use this one, right? So anyone, any idea about message queuing services? Message queuing services, like I think I should want to share the chills. Ask me for that. Okay. These are the main syllabus we are going to learn in the Kafka Zookeeper, like introduction to Kafka Zookeeper, and again Kafka fundamentals, right? What is Kafka? Why we need to use the Kafka? And again, what is the Zookeeper basics? And again, Kafka installation setups, and again Kafka producers, and again consumers, Kafka partitioning, and again applications, Kafka internals, and again tuning, and again Zookeeper like an advanced topics, and again Kafka securities, and again Kafka streams, and again real-time data processing, and again Kafka administration, and again monitoring, Kafka integration use cases. So advanced topics with Kafka and again Zookeeper.
Hello, Vishwa sir. Are you speaking? I'm not able to hear you.
Yes, yes, I'm speaking here. Is it audible, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yes, audible.
Audible.
Yes, yes, yeah. So that's what this is the syllabus I'm taking over here. And again, few of them new joinees here. So they need to understand what is Kafka and again Zookeeper. So here, so basically I will give first high level, the Kafka administrator and again developer level also I'm going to cover the syllabus. That is one of the main thing. And so what is message queuing services and again why we need to go with this. So this Kafka is nothing but event data streaming data, right? So the first thing we need to understand Kafka terminologies. So then again, we can understand architecture, right? So what is the terminologies here? Nodes and again brokers. So nodes, brokers, and again partitions, and again replication factors, and again producers, consumers, right? Now, so here we have single broker, Kafka single broker setup, multi-broker setups, high availability broker setups. Three types of administration provision stuff we have. So one is single Kafka broker setup. Second one is multi broker setups. And again, third one is highly available broker setups. So this basically Kafka cluster is nothing but collection of nodes is called as a Kafka clusters. So in this node 1, node 2, node 3, these are zookeepers. Okay. These are zookeepers. Now in this first one, broker 2, broker 3. Collection of brokers is called as a Kafka cluster, right? Collection of broker is called as a Kafka cluster. In the broker, we have a topics. Collection of topics is called as a broker. Collection of topics is called as a broker. Again, one more time. Collection of broker nodes is called as a Kafka cluster. And collection of topics is called as a brokers. Right, sorry. Collection of topics is called as a brokers. So in these topics, we have partitions and again replication factors like this. Collection of partitions is called as a topics. Collection of topics is called as a brokers. Collection of brokers is called as a one Kafka cluster. Got it, right? Any confusions here? Broker 1, broker 2, broker 3. I mean, this is a mission 1, mission 2, mission 3. In the mission 1, when we install this Kafka, that is called as a Kafka broker 1. The same thing, Kafka broker 2, Kafka broker 3. Next again, in this, we have a topics. Collection of topics is called as a brokers. In these topics, we can have a multiple partitions and again multiple replication factors. Same thing, okay? Like this. Now, for each topic, we can send a message with the help of producer.
One topic is associated with multiple brokers.
So just here in the high level diagram, it is noted as a topic.
Okay.
Okay. Basically, in each broker node, we have a individual topics. The same topic will be not available in the broker 2. The topics will be keep on changing on this. Naming convention should be different. Clear, right? But each topics we can have a multiple partitions. But all the partitions with the different nodes with not a same topic. Each broker node, each Kafka broker node is a different topics. Clear, right, everyone?
Yeah, Vishwa.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So basically, again, one more time. Collection of broker nodes is called as a Kafka cluster. Each broker node, this one, broker 2, broker 3 is right. These are nothing but Kafka broker 1, Kafka broker 2, Kafka broker 3. This is called as a individual machines. I mean, individual virtual machines, right? And again, in this broker 1, about them. Individual, in each broker node, we have a multiple topics. Same thing. In each topics, we can have a multiple partitions and again replication factors, right? The same thing, broker 2, broker 3. So like this, we have a like multiple topics in each broker nodes. And here, producers will be sending the messages through the topic wise also we can send the message, or else through the partitions wise also we can send the message. Same thing here. Producers can be sending the message to the partitions, partition 3, anything is fine, right? The same thing. Consumers, producers is nothing but sending the message. Consumers is nothing but receiving the messages. Zookeeper is nothing but without keeping the broker 1, broker 2, broker 3 Kafka nodes, without keeping the downtime or without making this any instruments, it will be keep on handling this. Why Zookeeper means Zookeeper will be handling for Kafka cluster monitoring and again analyzing and again log activities and again stability maintenance we use for Zookeeper. Clear, right? This is the main difference between this Kafka and Zookeeper. And again, yesterday someone was asked like, no, what is Apache Kafka Pulsar? See, Apache Kafka Pulsar. See, Kafka versus Pulsar versus RabbitMQ, okay? And again, Apache Kafka is different, Confluent Kafka is different, and again, Pulsar is different, RabbitMQ is different. RabbitMQ is nothing but message queuing service. RabbitMQ is nothing but message queuing service. Pulsar is nothing but it is a cloud-based event data streaming data. Okay. Kafka and again Pulsar will do the both activities, but RabbitMQ is only message queuing services. But in this case, there are 4 options. Confluent Kafka is different. Apache Kafka is different. Apache Pulsar is different. RabbitMQ is completely different. RabbitMQ is only the message queuing service, right? Next, Apache Pulsar is nothing but it is a cloud-based Kafka. And again, Apache Kafka is a open sourced. Traditionally, we can use for Kafka. Okay, that's the main thing. And again, Confluent Kafka is nothing but it is completely enterprises one, and again open source like limited trial we can use that one. Okay. See. The logs and storage architecture wise, like no log wise. Apache Pulsar is index based, and again RabbitMQ is index wise. But RabbitMQ nowadays they made it as a like live event data streams. It can also able to capture it. Apart from this, message queuing services. Right now, what is this message queuing services? How exactly it will be taken this scenario? So Kafka is a open source distributed streaming platform designed, right? So it's an open source distributed streaming platform, right? That's the main thing. And again, it will be enabling that real-time data processings and again any event-driven architecture. And again also like it will be mainly used for microservices communication level, especially Java microservices, Spring Boot applications, and again any kind of Node.js and again Python, Django applications. So for that scenarios we can use. So what exactly in which scenario we can use? So like real-time data analytics and again event-driven architectures and again log aggregations and again any kind of like streaming ETL formats like extract, transform, and again load data, right? Right. And again, the main Kafka components we want to discuss here, producers will be sending the data to the Kafka topics. Brokers is nothing but it will stores the data and again it will forwards the data to the consumers. Brokers, what is this brokers again? See here the architecture. One more time. Brokers is nothing but Kafka brokers 1, Kafka brokers 2, Kafka broker 3. We have a single broker setup also, multi-broker setup also, highly available broker setup also we can do, right? Now we'll take example with single Kafka or else 3-level Kafka only. For 3-level Kafkas, what is the formula to design all these things? How many zookeepers we require? All these things we can explain this one. Okay. Now, the main components: brokers, topics, producers, consumers, partitions. That is important. Producers will be sending the data to the either topics wise, either partitions. And again, these brokers will stores the data and again forward to the consumers. And again, consumers will subscribes the data, subscribes to topics, and again it will be resume the data. That is one of the thing, consumers, right? Consumers will be standalone consumers or else taking consumer groups. Next, topics. It is a nothing but it is a logical streaming of a data. It's completely, in this case, whenever the producer will be sending the data, it will be understanding the logical functions that it can be stored the data into the either key value format, either JSON format, either anything, right? That is one of the thing. Next. That's the main topic. And again, partitions. What is this partitions? We understood topics. Topic is nothing but logically it will be storing the data, which is the data has been sent from producers, that we know. But what is this partitions? Partitions are the nothing but smaller pieces. It can be divided into the smaller topics. That smaller topics is called as a partitions. Because in huge topic, we cannot able to store the data. If we store the data also, we cannot able to analyze that what exactly the data is coming from, which application is coming. With the example, like scenario, take an example. With one topic, I cannot able to distribute the topic to the multiple applications. So that's why we will do the sub partitions. That is what the main partitions. Any options? Any dots?
Yeah, Vishwa, just go to the, the picture. So in a layman word, so this broker 1, broker 2, broker 3, these are the 3 virtual machine, right? B1,
Yes.
B2, B3. Okay.
Yeah.
And inside that you have a broker 1, broker 2, broker 3.
Yes.
And topic A is available in virtual machine 1, 2, 3, right?
No. So just basically here they are not having the space, so that's why they designed like this.
Okay.
In the broker 1, topic A. In the broker 2, topic A. In the broker 3, topic A. Like this.
Can
Okay,
you
okay.
draw in paint file so it will be easy it will be easy to understand, because here some jumbling will be there. Okay. So like each broker one you have different virtual machine, then each broker have different zookeeper or not. Like this type of question will arise then.
Right now I'll show this. Okay, sure.
So that producer also one virtual machine or what? Or it's a 3 different virtual machine, Vishwa?
This is client.
This is client. So
Clients.
client is a software, right? Like that we need to install in our machine or what? How it will communicate?
Basically, this client will be, we should be need to install with the application level, either
Okay.
coding level, either our laptop, anyway.
Okay.
Okay. But by default, these classes, we can go with like client level also. We can also install with the demo classes with the broker level also. Anything is fine. Okay. Now.
Okay.
Wait. Producers, and producers. And this is generally broker 1, broker 2, broker 3. And again, consumers, and again consumers, right? So in this case, what we can say, we can create, okay, wait. Take it out example with one machine, okay? With one machine, we are installed Kafka in this machine, okay? Now, here we created one topic, two topic, okay? Then this is called as a broker 1. Kafka broker 1. I mean, this is virtual server. Okay, right? Next. Same thing. Kafka 2.
Each broker have one zookeeper or not?
Each broker,
They are dedicated zookeeper.
yes. Either we can go, see, according to design level, we can go. So for one Kafka broker, we can have a one zookeeper. But if it is having a 3 to 4 brokers, we can make it out like no. So suppose take an example. Now I need a 5 brokers. For 5 brokers, we can keep it out one zookeeper node as a common, or else 3 zookeepers like this. If it is a 10 brokers, again I can keep 5 zookeepers. Like that is a formula.
Okay, and again we require one VM for that zookeeper server, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, good, good.
Kafka 2 broker. Kafka 2. Okay. Next, in this case, partition 1, partition 2, partition 1, partition 2. Okay. This is topic. Okay. This is one topic. This is second topic. Okay. This topic one name can be defined as like in some topic. Okay. In this topic, this is partition 1. Okay. I think it's not visible, but still. I'll explain this one. See, basically, let's go back to this. We can take like a bigger picture here. Take it out. This is a Kafka node 1. Okay. In this case, this is one topic. Okay. This is topic wise. This is second topic. In this second topic, we can also go with like partitions levels. One partition. Like this, okay? Generally, we used to call this one as a Kafka 1. So example. Kafka 1, I mean broker 1. So this is topics. Okay. This topics, I can send the message directly to the topics only, or else this is topics 1, this is topic 2. Topic 2, okay. In this, either we can send the directly messages to the from the producer to the topics directly, okay, or else we can send the topics, we can send the messages directly to the partition 1, partition 2. These partitions directly we cannot able to create it. First, we need to create a topic only, then only we can create the partitions. What is the partitions? Partitions are nothing but it is the topics can be divided into smaller pieces is nothing but partitions. Example, partitions are nothing but it is isolated dividing from the topics. Example, either we can send the producers directly to the topics or else we can send the directly messages to the partitions also. So generally these are called as partitions. Any confusions like this? Multiple Kafka brokers will be there, partitions. This is partition 1. Same thing, this is partition 2. We can make it out partition 2 like this. In one topic, we can create a multiple topics. So multiple partitions. Like this, in one Kafka node, we can able to create a multiple topics. Any confusions? Like this, we have a like Kafka 2 and again Kafka 3 also we can make it out. Now I can make it out a small diagram. Kafka 2 and again Kafka 3 And again, this is known as a Kafka 2. You should understand it's Kafka 2. In this replication factor also it will come. And again, Kafka 3. And again here, consumers will receive the messages either directly with the consumer or else with the consumer groups like this, okay? This also.
And I have one doubt.
Yeah.
In single producer, can you configure multiple Kafka?
Multiple Kafka brokers in the single producer?
Yes, we are able to configure.
No.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. But that scenario depends. But generally it's a no, but the scenario based. Suppose like example, in cases like, we can also design that one with the latency issues, any fault tolerance. We can also do that in the other way we can achieve that one. But directly it is directly it is no. But still for the load balancing for high availability implementations, if suppose one producer, if the Kafka 1 in the Kafka 1 broker node, we have a multiple topics, right? If all the topics or if that Kafka 1 broker node goes down, automatically it should pick to the Kafka 2, any one of the topic, it can send. In this scenario, we can design this one with single producer. Got it, right?
Yes, understood.
Yeah. All right. So like this is a consumers here, either with a single consumer, either with consumer groups. Consumer groups. And again, consumers. Like this. Yeah. Now can we go for like creation of this one single Kafka broker? Can we go with like a demo for this to create a lab setup? Are we there, everyone? If it is this, I will go this one single Kafka broker quickly. See here. So this we can go with like AWS EC2 instances only. We can practice this. So launch instances. How many of them are Windows? How many of them are Linux? Adinan, Atab, Arpan, Ludul, Shekhar, Shrikant.
Windows,
Linux, we use the Linux.
Linux, Windows.
Windows.
Okay.
Linux, Windows.
Okay, first we'll go with like Windows. Okay. Windows lab setup with the single Kafka. Okay. Windows single Kafka broker. Kafka broker setup. In this case, we can take the Windows machine here. In the Windows machine, either we can go with like 2025 server or else like 2022. Anything is fine. So I'm taking this 2022 base image. See Windows machine. Select here. 2022 base. Okay. I'm taking like to get the response like more quicker. So that's why I'm taking like instance type is. I think everyone are aware of this AWS cloud. So I'm launching here only. Taking this T3. I'm taking like minimum good to get like good response. T3 large 8 GB RAM. And again key pair I'm choosing here. Create key pair. I can give the key pair. Demo Zookeeper Kafka. PEM file I can download. Create a key pair. And then again we can take it out like 100 GB data. Right. So what is the port number for Kafka? 9092. And again Zookeeper 2181, right? So that's why I'll be opening this edit options. And again, we can give like all security groups or else like individual port numbers also we can open it. Add security groups. I'll be keeping like all TCP. I think everyone are good at like an AWS flow, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm taking like all TCP and again custom. So basically we know this Kafka, for Kafka machines, the port number is 9092. And again for Zookeeper 2181, right? So now I'm doing the lab setup, single broker setups with the default inbuilt Zookeeper in that. Okay. Launch instance. We'll wait like a couple of minutes for this.
So Vishwa, we need for a AWS account for this?
Yes, yeah.
We can do in our local as well, right? Or not?
No, if you have a good configuration of your laptop, we can do with local only. No
8
worries.
GB is sufficient RAM.
That's fine. Okay.
Okay.
Because suppose sometimes I can just anyway, we can do it.
So in local machine, are you going to provide the document how to do the setup?
Yes, I have a documentation here. I'll give you like all the documentations. Once the live classes will be starting,
Sure.
basically, I made these documentations. See Kafka Zookeeper node configuration Linux in Windows, single Kafka broker node, multi Kafka broker nodes, and again both in Windows and again Linux platforms, all these things, both operating systems.
And can you open the syllabus meanwhile? So
Yeah, once again. Like this, no? Zookeeper commands, all these things will be there. And again, what is that? 3 missions, Windows instances, Kafka and again broker nodes, all these things.
okay.
8 step wise. Syllabus, huh? I don't know where I get this syllabus.
Vishwas, Nilesh,
Yes, please. Yeah.
this course also covered the Kafka SSL part 2, right?
Yes, Kafka SSL. Here only I have written. It's Kafka
Yeah,
SQL.
yeah,
Yeah, this one, see?
yeah. Craft and Zookeeper is both different. Yesterday we were saying people are
Yes.
using node management instead of Zookeeper. They are using that one for a configuration management setup, leader selection.
Yeah, they are using Craft but still Zookeeper is using. But if many companies Zookeepers only they are using, but still only like who are who want like Crafter should be maintenance, then we can use a Craft. That's okay. Okay. Anyway, so
Concepts is same, right? Only difference between the command and how to execute it.
that's it. So running is instances. Windows single Kafka broker setups. Okay. Then again, so we can take this public IP, or else we can download this RDP. This is first. Okay, connect. RDP client. So download this RDP and again get password, upload private keys. This is what my download mission. And again, this is key pair. We'll get the password, decrypt the password, copy this quickly. RDP will open. Windows mission. Click yes. So is it visible, right? My screen is hello.
Yes.
Hello. Is it visible, right? My screen is visible, right? Everyone?
Yes, visual.
Yes.
All right. So in this case, one provision Windows machine. Okay. We'll download Google Chrome. Hello. Hello. ಸರ್ ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಲಗಬಿಡಿ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಓಕೆನಾ ಹಲೋ ಓಕೆ 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 ಸೊ all right, so now we'll do why this browser required. So the reason quicker way of accessing and again downloading. So what is the prerequisite to do this one? Java should be installed either 1.8, either 11 version, either 17 version, any version. Okay. Then yeah. See, download Kafka first one. Everyone. See, download Kafka. We don't want Confluent Kafka. We require like an Apache Kafka. We can go with 3.9.0. We can go with like latest 3.8.1. Okay, right? So we can go with like Scala 2.13. Download this one. And again it is downloaded. And again for that again think we should download one more. Download 7-zip also we should download. 7-zip. Either 7-zip 64-bit we can download it. And you can also like one more prerequisites, okay? Java. Grab this one. Windows 64 Java we can download. I think are we there, right, everyone? So download this Java. Okay. So Java is also downloaded. Now we'll install first one Java. So this is Java. I think it is completely installed. Click on OK. After installation, we should set the environment variables. We are there, everyone? Yes. Java should be installed here. So then again, after that, 7-zip should be installed. Close. Then fine. Now let it be. Now I need to set the environment variables here first. Environment variables. See, go to this PC. We're having Java here. Program file 64-bit Java. And again JDK. So copy this one. Okay, before this, we should also download, extract this Kafka also. See everyone. Are we there, right, everyone? Hello.
Yes, yeah, Vishwa.
Yeah. So I think we are following. So there again, we should unzip this one with 7-zip, extract all. See here, again, we should, if it is extracted, fine. Again, we should go to this, extract here. So now this is the one. Fine, this is a complete folder. So copy this folder. Or let's cut this folder. Cut this folder and in this PC. Go to this C drive and again we can keep it out here. Right? And again, if you want to rename, we can rename this one. Kafka, enter. Okay. Now in this case, Kafka. Next again, in this machine, Kafka. We should set the environment variables. How to set, copy this Kafka path, environment. How to unzip it, I shown here. And then go to the environment variables. Quickly environment variable second set in this one. So here Kafka path. Kafka home. Path we can extract, click OK. Okay. Then again, after this, Java. Copy this. Then again, click on this new. Java home. Paste this one. Then again, Jari home. Copy this path. Click on new. Jari home. Jari home also. Then if you want, for path, click on this new. And again, paste it out here. Then for JNA bin, this is click OK. Then again, we can take this JDK bin also. Copy this. edit. So JRE bin, Java bin, both we can do here. And again, one more Kafka bin also we can do. Kafka here, Kafka bin, copy this. Okay, click OK. And again, click OK. Click OK. Cancel it. Okay. Now we did installation. Everything is fine. Software is it clear, right? So now open this PowerShells. Open this PowerShells. PowerShells. First one. Before doing this, we should do some configuration changes. Some configuration changes. We can download like Notepad++. I'll show that one. Finish. Now we should do the small configuration changes. See Kafka in the Kafka folder. I'm getting the see here in the configuration file, we should do the for Kafka, we should do the some changes here. See server.properties file. Open this notepad. Maximize this one. See here, this is a Kafka server.properties files. In this broker ID, always it will be starting with broker ID 0 only. Okay. Next after that, so here we can give the listeners local host. We can give listeners local host. Okay. Listeners local host. And again network threads, threads, everything log basics. We can change the log path also. If you want, we can keep the default one. We can change the log path. This is server.properties file in the Kafka one. Okay. Then again, in this case, I can mention like C drive only. I can mention like temp folder, C drive temp folder. We can mention it. And again, after that, we can mention here. What is it? Kafka. Kafka logs, it can be stored here. Okay. Now save this file. Save this file. Next, you can go back to one more. Sorry. Go back to one more folder. This is now zookeeper.properties file, right? By default, Kafka properties file 9092 is a port number. See, 9092 is a port number by default. Okay. And zookeeper now. In the zookeeper, by default, client is 2181 port number. If you want, we can change the path also here. See, directory. C drive. We can keep it out temp. C drive temp. We can keep it out like zookeeper, and you can save it out. We can keep save it out. Close this. Close this, and you can open this one. Okay. Now, how to start this? First, zookeeper we need to start. I think we are there, right? Everyone, Adinaran, Atlab, everyone, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
First thing, how to start this zookeeper. So according to this Kafka architecture, first we need to start the zookeeper. Now the zookeeper no need to install separately. Whenever we install the latest one Kafka, automatically zookeeper will be default installed there. Okay, that is the embedded one. Now we can go to our path here. I think my command line is visible. So now we can go back here. Now I need to start the zookeeper. How to start the zookeeper now? CD, go to the Kafka folder, and again binary folder, and again in this case Windows folder. So right now in Windows we have a Windows batch scripts. So these are the scripts we do have here, right? This many scripts. So these are the many batch scripts. How to start this, connect to, how to start, how to Kafka brokers, and again Kafka cluster bad configurations, and end to end again Kafka logs, and you can run server start.bat, Kafka server stop, Kafka storage bad, Kafka topics creations. All these things will be there. Okay. Okay, and again Kafka console producers, Kafka console consumers, all these things. Now, first thing, Kafka. Here we need to run the command. It is running here. Kafka server start here. First, I want to do, sorry, not Kafka server first one. First, I need to start Zookeeper here. Okay, Zookeeper server start bad. In this configuration file, configuration is available here. In the configuration file, this is a way. See, Zookeeper start, Zookeeper properties, enter. Now Zookeeper need to start. See, I think somewhere Zookeeper is failed. Okay, let me check where it is failed. C temp Zookeeper data directory, everything is fine. I think we saved it, and again the server.properties file also. Okay. Here also we should add in the Zookeeper properties connect. Okay, fine. Everything is fine. Okay. Save it out. Done. Close this one. Now what is this? First one, Zookeeper configuration, Zookeeper properties. Yes. Why this information audit is disabled. Error existing JVM with code. So Java virtual machines. Somewhere Java virtual machines problem. We'll check with the environment variables.
Up environment variable of Java to Oracle path.
Yes, yeah. I think Java home. See here we are given the Java home variable path also we are given. JDK also we are given, and again in the path also I have given this one. The path. JRE bin path also I have given. JDK bin path also. Kafka bin path also. Yes, everything is perfect here. Yeah. Then click OK.
No, I think Java path is not set. Can you execute Java version?
Yeah. 1.8.0.
Sure, they need to create the directories, then temp directory or automatically create
Yeah,
in the
automatically.
temp,
One screen, yeah. Automatically it should create screen.
in the temp, right?
Yeah. Why it is not getting one screen? Okay, let me check on this. Yeah. Automatically it should create actually one screen. If it does not, we'll create like one manual also, no issues. Tab. Anyway. Close this. Open this one more time PowerShell. Somewhere it is problem.
It's unable
Permission
to
issue.
create the directory.
Permission issue actually. Run as administrator. If you could open this particular box, run as administrator.
Exactly one screen. Oh, administrator only. See, administrator window PowerShell. Okay, but anyway, we'll do with like more time. Administrator only. Okay. Somewhere unable to create a data directory. See, and okay.
I think in properties file, there is a space actually. So if you see data directory C:\space CMP zookeeper / version 2. So that's why I wrote. So it took C:\space.
No, it is pocket, is it? C colon, no space. See,
Where is that actually?
once again, let me take this. Take this path only.
Data directory, it says.
Once again. Same only. So now if I give Kafka, fine. Save it out. Same thing we can go with like zookeeper properties also. Okay. It's good. Let me take this error once again. We'll resolve these issues. No worries. We'll use the ChatGPT AI tool to resolve this one. Okay, what is this? It's not there at all. Why?
I think we can manually create a directory. No?
Yeah, but earlier it was not there manually. Once again. Yeah, you know. So, okay, we'll do this only. Same thing. But this we doesn't have at all. Unable to create a data directory. Okay, once again. Then again, we'll do one thing. What is the error here? Once again. Okay, backward. Let's go.
Backward slash forward.
Yeah, backward slash I've given. But generally it should take like the previous image I have like only one slash. Sometimes it was. Yes, now it is started. The backward slash is problem here. Okay. So now, so zookeeper is started. One more time, if you want, we can close this one. Yes, I can download it. So now, again, how to start this zookeeper? Again, select this. See, zookeeper is started. We can imagine this one. So zookeeper is coming now. Fine. This is terminal 1. Like this, one more. Terminal 2. We can make it out Windows PowerShell. So take it out now. Kafka need to start. CD / Kafka bin Windows enter. Then again Kafka we need to start. Kafka server dot config. What is it? One more step. / configure server dot properties. Enter. Right.
So in this case, server and broker on the same machine, right?
Yes, same missions. But like in the live classes, I will show this like how to client will be in that this one. Now zookeeper Kafka will be started. Now how to create a topics with one more. So one more. Now topics. Kafka, bin, Windows, enter. Next again, Kafka. Topics. Dot bat. Here I can give bootstrap. Visible, right? Bootstrap, server, localhost 9092. Topic I can give. Demo class. Enter. This is like, additional stuff also will come. Yeah, sorry. So in this case, same command only we can use. Okay, here I missed it. Like, Kafka topics. Bootstrap to the word, everything is fine. Now what you should do is one more flag we can use. Create bootstrap server localhost topic demo class. Okay. Enter. The topic could be created. See, create a topic demo class. Okay. Now let me list this Kafka topic is available or not. Okay. How to list? So in this case, we can go back here. Rather than this one, we can go list. So it will be listed like one demo class topic will be there. Clear, right? Next. If you want to describe the topics, we can describe the topics also. Right? How to describe the topics? Same thing, same command. We can run this command. Describe the topic. What is the topic name? My topic. Demo class. Right now, I don't have any replication factor. Any, what is it? Partitions, right? Everything is 0, 0, 0. Clear, right, everyone? Hello, hello, hello. Yeah.
Just clear.
So creating topic, listing topics, describing the topics, right? If you want, we can delete the topics. Now I want to send the message from the producers. Open this one more console, PowerShell. It's like big headache. cd ... Kafka bin Windows enter, and again Kafka producers. Kafka console.producers. Okay. Next, in this case, bootstrap server host localhost 9092, right? Hyphen topic. Then again, demo class is my topic. Then again, in this case, yeah, producer. So producer is started. Now we'll do this consumer also. One more shell. Now I can minimize all the shells except, so this zookeeper fine. This is also fine. Topics. Next. This is also fine. Now. Oh, sorry. So this is the producer. Now this one is consumer here. So this is a producer. And again, this is a consumer. We can do. What is that? One more thing. Consumer that bad.
त्याला मी नाही रिस्पॉन्स देते ती चिडले मी माझा अभ्यास करतोय ना
Sorry. Bootstrap server localhost 9092. And again, next topic. And again, what is the topic name? Demo class.
Demo.
So you can go with like, from the beginning flag we can give, or else we can also give this default. From beginning means it will come from the beginning. Okay. So before that, see, suppose I don't have here, I'll do another one message. I, something. Okay. Now enter. Now in this case, still I have not entered the from beginning. So now if I enter this BIGINNING beginning, enter. So it will come from the beginning. Okay. So now see it came right here, everyone. So now I can run by. Okay, done. So this is producers. I'm minimizing this one. This is consumers. Clear, right, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so like this, we can learn with like a real-time scenarios. So thank you, everyone. So any doubts, please let me know this. Yeah, I have other class to jump. Yeah.
So what is the main functionality of Zookeeper? Just to yeah.
See, the difference between Zookeeper and again Kafka is nothing but Zookeeper. Like example, we can tell like in the airport, right? That terminals are nothing but zookeepers. I mean, airplanes and all, like flights and all, Kafka. And again, topics will be there inside, right? So it will be landing. The zone is called as a terminal. That terminal, what it will do? It will do the managing, like take off, take on, everything, right? Same thing here also. Zookeeper able to maintain the cluster monitoring, logging activities, high availability, and again latency issues, resolving all this kind of stuff. Clear?
Okay, got it. So, Fisher, next week onward, what is the right time? Can you finalize so that whether we can prepare or not? Hello, Vishwa?
Yes.
What will be the time from next week on so that we are ready?
Okay. Next week, 1 week, 11 o'clock actually. Sorry, 11 to 11:30 only. Okay. Then after that, the coming next week onwards, 9 o'clock, we can keep it out because that last batch I want to complete with next week. That's why.
So next week, 11:30, correct?
11:30, yeah.
Okay. Then we will decide next. Okay.
Yeah.
Vishwas, from next week onwards, 11:30 or 9:30 means?
11:30 for the first week only, 11:30. Then again, after that, that batch will be completing. Again, I'll be shifting back to the 9 o'clock.
11 o'clock and 9 o'clock.
11 to 9 o'clock. I mean, see, currently next batch, next week, our classes will be live starting 11:30. Okay.
Okay.
Then after that, 1 week has been done. That batch I'll be completing that one. After that, we are going to shift. If all are available at 9 o'clock, then we can shift to the 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Okay.
9 to 11 o'clock, 2 hours.
Yeah, Vishwa, one thing, I'm not available actually 9 to 11. I'll be available at 11:30 batch.
Okay, let me check. Okay, so we'll join with the first week. Then again, we can plan that one. Okay.
Yeah, please confirm, okay? Because already I discussed with the Durga.
Yeah, please, yeah.
And already paid the fees as well. Okay, just confirm.
Yeah.
Hi Vishwa, how this video available? When it is video available to us?
No, on the same day, like after completion of our classes, the videos will be available there.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So if you want to download, like one more quickly, we can show here. The last but least, whatever we're doing this command line, there is a GUI tool. We can download offset Explorer. Offset Explorer for Windows machine. We can download this Kafka download tools, Offset Explorer. Whatever we are seeing there, so we can download this one, Offset Explorer, in the command line and download. So depending upon the Windows machine, 64-bit, yes. It's downloading.
What is this Offset Explorer?
Whatever we are doing this manual activities, right? We can go and you can see it in the GUI mode. Graphical user interface mode. This one thing. See, I'll show there how to do this one. See this one, Explore set. Offset Explorer. Okay, right? So then you can go to this offset.
तिथलं करू नको.
In this offset app,
अश्विनी हा फुरक्या काढतोय.
once again, please. So here cluster name I can give Vishwa as a class cluster name, and again local host. So this is Kafka broker 1, and again here also we can give enable zookeeper. Here also local host 2181 we can go, and again we can do the test here. If everything is success, yes, connection successful. Then again it is add clusters, Vishwa cluster. It will come like green color if everything is good. No, it successfully. So one broker, local host, one broker is there. And again topics, demo class topics I created now. And again this is the consumer offsets, partitions is there. The partitions is 0 here now. And again consumers. Clear, right? Anyway, it is taking some time. Okay, so the reason because why. Cluster. So here I don't want to mention like this both the ways. We can delete this existing if you want. Or else one more also we can create it. See here again file, add new connections, local host. Here this is 9092. Here this enable zookeeper. No need to mention here test. Which one? Test. So like this, we can add the clusters and again we can do this also. Okay. Clear, right? So we'll do now this. Anyway, so we'll meet on next week. Thank you, everyone. So I need to jump to other class. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.